Hi, here's a quick tutorial on how to schedule Google Meet for your students using Google Calendar. The reason we want to do this is because it creates not only a schedule for you on Google Meet, but also for your students. First, you're going to navigate to calendar.google.com. You can also use the chiclets to navigate to Calendar. Once in Calendar, you're going to click Create. Then click More Options. Add the title of your class, the day it will start. You can use today. Google is not enabled for the students, but at least you'll be able to see it on your end. Then I'm going to click the time. And the end time. You can customize these by typing in your own times. Just be mindful of the AM and PM. Then you're going to click the Does Not Repeat. You don't want it just for today. You most likely would want it every day, Monday through Friday. Or you can click Custom. And you can repeat every other day, for example, an A-B schedule. Or you can schedule it for different days of the week. And you can make sure that it ends on the last day of school, just in case, of course. Click Done. Then you're going to add conferencing, Hangouts Meet. Over here, you're going to add your guests. I'm going to add my guinea pig child. And down here, I want to make sure that these are all checked off before I click Save. You do not need to send emails. The students' emails are not enabled as of this day. If I realize I made a mistake or I forgot a student that I needed to invite, I can always double-click and come back in here. I can change any of the information and click Save again. What this does for you and the students is now when you go to meet.google.com, you will see that I have my meets already scheduled for me. The same thing happens on the students' side. They will see at 7:30 I had a math test. At 8:30 I have my ELA Period 3 class. A couple of things to note. Once you click this Join Meeting, it is like opening the door to your classroom. The students can enter even though you have not entered. So right now, nobody is in here. Ooh, that's a scary picture. However, if Hunter tries to enter, he is able to join. So keep this in mind. Once you have finished scheduling all of your classes, you don't have to do this again. Every day, you will see your class list, as will the students see their class schedule. Any questions, you know where to find me. Have a good day, guys.